Kadaya ka por karwish teng ka khalai trik noitung ka arjar arpuai baki bor pulit kilayo lum jingtip baki don ki brioi ki blathau jingklumar hakiyeng. Hadin kati kilale chakati ka chakabat layapan bai. Uba lakamen rumboi umantri ka nakampo iyeng ka jala. Ulakan tho alo ka jingja basyak kata kati ki khasiyah ki bar jala hanong mensong. Ulo ong bahadin kania ki bor pulit kilayo jingtip baki brioi ki blathau jingklumar hakiwai pat ki chaka bat kilale chakati ka chaka ondala poi hangtai lalap arngut ki brioi ki belabu ai bat ki pulit kilara satanan bat ulong habala poi hatanan namun song au pos kladon ke jingwan ban yelum pai ba kumasan phau nin ripo ngut hakamat jong katanan ki balas dang man pen klumar tat hadu bladon ki kali ki belasa penjulor pat ke jing mensau chong wei pulit CRPF balara ayu chaka chaka ai jing sumar ha ku ju upor lai thu bolap tha ki pulit bakin pen stat ki jing toket kobnya habai dei bat kani khanang bakan la ban tem ye kinu kinu ki rusim ku ki pathum priang ki khobor balam ler bat ulong ru baki pulit kin hab ban pen klo ye ki jing toket khanang baki rusim ku kinum yo ya kalap ban sapriang ko bor hamsian ni banum ala tru ban pen sapriang ya jingja kum ko bor bakla kabala ban ra ya jing sungo pher jai ban riu bat kaban kata pat ya song suk song sain ha ka jala
11:30, the police got information that some people have created some nuisance in some house. After that, then the police went there, and then the matter could be solved within a few hours. But after that, again, the police got information that people have also created a nuisance somewhere else. Then the police also went there, and they found that two drunkards or the drunk, they are dead. So the police have taken them to Thana. One is the orderly of DG only, I forgot his name, and one is Henry Thakumwa. So after reaching the Thana, that people they are fully drunk. Then some people, about 50, 60 I think they come. Then in that thing that there is some commotion was there. So in that commotion, then some vehicle have been vandalized, and one CRPF man was also injured and he's taken to hospital. I have not had with me as of now, but the thing is that it happened like that. So the only thing is that I request that the police in any type of this type of incidents, they should act swiftly, so that the Rimu Manga could not spread the small incident turn into something which to their own advantages. So again, I stress that the police should act swiftly, so that the people could not have a chance to create a misunderstanding or create a false narrative to their own advantages. So I have already told the police they will do, and the case have been registered and matter is under investigation. I don't see if anything we paint as criminal clash, that is very wrong. That's why I tell that we cannot say that something happened somewhere. But I'm not telling about the same abnormal song. Wherever anything happened, any incident happened, no matter small or big, the police should act swiftly, so that the people could not have a chance to spread the wrong narration or misunderstanding, so that and the situation which a minor situation may turn into something else. So I'm very happy that the police, the residents of that area, the Shnong, could with their active participation, the thing to be brought under control. And the police, as I said, have registered the case. Matter is under investigation, and anybody who is doing this thing will be taken to task. That's why from the beginning I told you, police should act swiftly, and then dissemination of information on that particular incident should be given by the police, so that this rumor monger, these people should not have the time to spread their own version. So official version is very, very important in this type of incident, to avoid this misunderstanding, or to so that the people who want to take anything as a criminal, to paint any incident as a criminal incident should not have any chance. So again, I request the media play a responsible role. Social media should play a responsible role so that incident or any incident should not be twist in such a way that it will bring the unnecessary tension in any part of the state. But I stress the point that police should act swiftly, and official information should be given so that people should not have liberty to spread whatever news they want to spread. So official communication is very, very important from the police side, and acting swiftly is very, very important.
Hagan op haising balang kaladong ka jelang yamir jimut banwara ekshong sub chonsan hakate ka than ya bala punlong hanman song aupus hakani ka jelang kinong ilam snong ki kunhun seng balang kid khot seng samla ki majistor lem kwat ki bor pulit kla shimi ki jing khli banya chakman da ka jing song sub songsangan hadin bala wa gani ka jelang ki bor punya snong ki lakan tai bani klen siklap thai khbor da ka wakado ba kim don jing tip bat ki nangit banya ya ka daw jong kani ka jingja bat kumjuru ka kunhun ki long kmini pali hagajuk por ki pulit na ka tai ka aupus ru ki lakan tai ba ka don ka jingja ka balam sakjing su fair jai benrio